Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 9 plus 27 by 9 multiply 6 minus 4. Now let's solve this problem by using PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. Okay. P means parenthesis, M means exponents, M means multiplication, and D means division. A means addition and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So is equal to, in this problem, here is a division and here is multiplication. Both have first priority is multiplication and division, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay. So 9 plus, now solve this division, 27 by 9 is equal to 3. Multiply 6 minus 4. Okay. Now here is addition, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition and subtraction. Okay. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So 9 plus, now solve this multiplication, 3 multiply 6 is equal to 18 minus 4. Now addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve this addition. So 9 plus 18 is equal to 27 minus 4. Now 27 minus 4 is equal to 23. Okay. So the correct answer is 23. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.